Okay, so how many types of inheritance, guys? You are getting some disturbance case somewhere. So Java can be supported four types of oops principles is there, guys. That is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. So again, inheritance are divided into again five types, guys. That is single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance, guys. Right? So we already completed that single inheritance. For that single inheritance, how we can achieve that single inheritance is nothing but we have to require how many classes, guys? There is a two class we have to require, that is super class and child class. So that say if we want to achieve that say inheritance, super class we have to require as well as child class we have to require. And what, guys, there is a inherit what extend key extends keyword is there. By using that extend keyword we can achieve that single inheritance. So guys, already with this part we already completed. So today we can go through that hierarchical inheritance, guys. Hierarchical inheritance, see guys, see this diagram and how you can what, guys, identify how many super class is required and how many child class required. You people can tell me, guys. See this diagram and tell me.
One super and multiple.
Yeah, one super class we have to required and multiple child class, right, guys? So you people can go, guys. Here is that after completion that single inheritance, we can go for first of all what, guys? Multi-level inheritance, right? So multi-level inheritance and single level inheritance, you people can observe here, guys. There is a first of all parent class is there and child class. Child can having to that one more child, guys, right? So guys, we can you people see this diagram, how many classes has required means child class and parent class, how many we have to require here. You people easily identify, yes or no, guys? Go through that first of all single inheritance. That single inheritance, what, guys, you people can check here. There is a one parent class we have to require and one subclass means child class we have to require. And go to that hierarchical inheritance, guys. There is a one super class we have to require and what, guys, multiple child class, guys, multiple direct subclasses required for that hierarchical inheritance. Not only three, guys, you can create four, five, whatever. That is all comes under what, guys? Hierarchical inheritance. Right? Now you people can check here, guys. There is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but first of all we have a one super class and one child class, guys, right? This is that one level, this is that one level. If we have to that one super class and one child class, then what we had called, guys, previously, that is that single inheritance, yes or no, guys? One super class and one child class, that is we can call as a single inheritance. That part we have already completed. But if we have to that more than one what, guys, subclasses for that child class, direct subclasses for that child class, then we can call as a multi-level inheritance, guys, right? See, you people can see here, guys. This is the parent class and this is the child for what, guys? This is the subclass one is the child for what? Super class. And I'm going to declaring one more child. This is that direct subclass for which, guys? That is super class or subclass one. Direct subclass. That subclass two is that direct subclasses for that subclass one or super class, guys. This is that what, guys, super class. Yeah, this is that super class. And this is what, guys, child class. We can call as a single level. This is that what, guys, we can call as a single level. And we have a one more level, guys. We have a one more level means this is that super and this is the child. right guys? This is that one level, that is the reason we can call as a single inheritance. But if we have a one more level, then we can call as a what guys? Multi-level inheritance. If we have to that one more level, then guys it is comes under as a multi-level only, right? This is that level guys: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple level inheritance guys. Then you people, when you see this diagram, automatically you people identify which one is that single inheritance, which one is that multi-level inheritance, which one is that what guys, hierarchical inheritance. You people easily identify. But what we are going to see in that diagram, same as like we can develop that what guys, application. So, and when we are going to creating, when we are going to using this inheritance concept, then what guys, which keyword we have to require? Extend keyword we can use guys, right? Extend keyword we can use for that what guy, achieving to that inheritance concept. This entire thing comes under what guys? Inheritance concept only, right? So guys, what I am going to give in that diagrammatically, first of all I go through that word guys, multi-level inheritance, and after that we can go for what guys, hierarchical inheritance. Why I'm going to for that multi-level inheritance? Because of there is a one guys, one is that super class, one is the child class. So that very simple for that go to that word guys, multi-level inheritance, because of we already completed that single level. That is the reason if we achieve, if we create that one more class, if we create that one more class, that comes under what guys, multi-level only. It is very simple guys. Really if you are good into that as a basics level, that advanced level is that very easy, right? So what that multi-level inheritance, we can see that guys with the practically how we can achieve that multi-level inheritance. I will show you that programmatically guys. As per diagram, you people getting understanding or not guys? Multi-level
Yes,
inheritance, you people understanding or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So guys, I will go through that as a programmatically. You people can check here, guys. That very simple way we can implement that word, guys. Multi-level inheritance. I'm going to creating. See here, guys. Uh, public public class word, guys. This is that I'm going to taking as a parent. Parent. This is the parent class, guys. And I'm going to create one method here, guys. Click void m1. This is that m1 method I'm going to create it here. Inside that main method, guys. Why I'm going to writing always that m1? In real time scenario, there is a m1 m2 method. There is nothing, no, we are not able to using, guys. In real time scenario, you people not able to see this kind of method. Always what guys? Uh, there is a requirement related method we can create, right? How we can create that requirement related what guys, methods I will show you. But that basics under basics things we should be remember here. That is the reason I'm going to creating what guys, m1 method. Okay. So what should I to do? I'm going to writing here is that business logic, that is system dot out dot println. This is parent m1 method I'm going to writing here. And same as like what should I to do here guys? I'm going to create, I'm going to creating, what, This is that one class, guys. And I'm going to create it one more class. You people can check here, guys. Say, guys, you can use to that every class in that same packages, but that you should be create what guys class as every class you people can create as a individually. So that is the reason what should I to do. I'm going to creating one more class, guys. You people can check public class child1 child1, right? So this is that one class, guys. This is that one class. We people can check that what hierarchy what diagram, guys. As per diagram, I'm going to implementing that what programmatically. Then what should I to do? I'm going to creating that one more method here. Public void, guys. Always that return type should be void only. You can create anything, guys. What we are going to define that there is a data type concept is there, right? So that data type concept you people can use for that what, guys, return type. But when we are going to use into that return type as a data type, at that moment we should be return that values, guys. How we can return that values, you people can check. I'm going to what, guys, given that return type as a int instead of void. See, guys, here instead of that void, I'm going to using that word, guys, return type as a int, right? So and that method name what, guys, I'm going to method name is that m2. This is that m2 method, guys, right? See here, see here. And when you are going to using that int is that return type, we should be used to that word, guys, keyword as a return, return. Yeah, this is that return keyword, guys. Return, we need to word, guys, which one is that return type we are going to using, that that related data we need to return, guys, inside that return. What type of data type it is, guys? What Yeah, interrelated data we need to return. We inter what this is that interrelated or not, guys? 10 is that int or not? Yeah. So, guys, instead of that int, if I take to that word, guys, if I take to that word string, then what should I to return here, guys? We can, yeah, in double quotation we can return to that word, guys. String related data we need to return, right? You people getting or not it, right? So what should I to do? This is the way we can what, guys, return the data. Okay, you people can check here, guys. You people can check. I'm going to returning that data, or else what you have to do here, guys, inside that method I'm going to defining that word, guys. First of all, I'm going to creating one local variable, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to creating one local variable, string name equal to, I'm going to defining what, guys, string, right? So I'm defining as a string here. And after that, I'm going to printing this data, guys. SOPLN statement, I'm going to writing inside that where m2 method that println of how we can call to that local variable, guys, by using that name, or I need to create any object here.
Name.
Sorry, how I can call to that string data here?
Name.
Main, what
Name.
main?
Name.
Name, yeah. Excellent. This is that variable name, guys. Directly variable name we can call here. And instead of string here, I'm going to returning that data, right, guys? You people can check here. This is that string only. This is that which one way I'm going to defining inside that double quotation we can call as a string. Yes or no, guys? So this is also what is this, guys? This is also string only, right?
Yes.
So that string data stored in where, guys? This is the string. It is stored in which variable? Name. So instead of that name, instead of that Srinu, is it possible to returning as a name, guys? Instead of Srinu, instead of that Srinu, is it possible to returning as a name? Is correct or not, guys? Right? So instead of that hard coding that data inside that return type, I'm going to first of all declaring that what, guys, where string variable, and inside that name variable I'm going to give in what, guys, string data, that is string, and that name reference variable I'm going to returning for this return type. Guys, this point you people getting or not? Please let me know. If not, I will explain one more time. If you people can using to that int, then you should be written what, guys, int related data you should be written, right, guys? And or else what we are going to do, you can declare that one variable, guys, int a equal to, you people can assign into that what, guys, 10, right, for that a. Instead of 10 here, instead of 10, is it possible to returning as a, guys? It is correct or not? Right? So this is the way we can returning that you people can check what is the return type here, guys. Last class, till last class, you people not aware that what is that return type. We can always see what, guys, void is that return type only. Yes. So guys, now onwards I'm not able to give in that return type as a void, because the because of here is that every time we are not able to use it to that void is a return type. In real time scenario, this void is that never come, guys. Rare scenario it will be come, that void is that return type. Rare scenario it will become. Why I'm going to using here that always void is nothing but, that is that, and first of all how we can create and how we can identify this is a method. That is the reason I'm going to give in what, guys, return type as a void. It is nothing to return, guys. If people can check here, when we are going to use into that return type as a void, at that moment we are not able to returning any value. That void is nothing returned to that any value, guys. But coming to that second class, child one, there is I'm going to creating what, guys, em2 method. And you people can tell me, guys, what is the return type here? Int. Yeah, guys, when you people see this return type, you should be, there is a return keyword it will become. And what type of data, what, guys, return type you are going to using, that related data should be written, guys, here. Otherwise it will be get that error. I will show you with a practically, guys. Theoretical means here I'm writing, right? So what is that return type, why we are going to using these things, you people getting or not little bit? Getting, right? Or else I need to explain one more time. Yeah.
The double
Yeah, yeah, you people can check here, guys. Double, if you people can declare that double as a return type, then you should be written what, guys, double related data you should be written. Double is nothing but how you people can define, guys, in decimal point, right? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, that is the reason. What are the data type, what are the return type you are going to declare, that related data you should be written, guys, inside that here is that there is a return keyword we are going to using. That is the reason. What are the data return type is there before creating that this is the method name, guys. Before method name we can use what, guys, return type. You people can check here, this is that m1 is that method. Before method there is a return type is there, right? Here is that parent is that parent, inside that parent class there is a return type what, guys, here void. And inside that child m2 method return type what, guys, here we are going to using anything. I'm going to using what, guys, here string. I will yeah, or else you people can check what guys int. When we are going to declaring that int, is it possible to return as a 10.2 guys?
No, sir.
No, right? Int related data only you should be pass here, right? So guys, this is the way we can creating that word guys return type changes, and I will show you that one more class guys. You people can check as per diagram. That is that guys how we can achieve to this inheritance guys. Tell me, this is that separate class and this is that separate class now, right? Now tell me guys, I need to make as a relation single inheritance relationship. I need to make it. What should I to do here? Tell me guys.
Extend
Extends
parent.
extends keyword for what guys? Parent, right? So when I'm going to using to that extends keyword and using to that parent class, at that moment how many methods is available now guys inside that child class? How many methods available inside that child one class?
Two method is there.
Two method is
M1
there.
and
Yeah, m1 method is there and m2 method is there, right guys? So what should I to do? I'm going to creating what guys? One more method guys now. See here, not one more method. I'm going to creating one more class. This is that separate class guys. This is the separate class. Child one is that separate class. I'm going to creating one more class guys. You people can check here. So how we can create public class child 2, right? And see here guys, this is a separate class. That is the reason what should I to do? I need to create what guys? One more method. Guys tell me, you people can tell me that method name and return type you should be tell me guys.
public
Public,
double
yeah, instead of double you can use the string. Okay, already there is a interrelated is there, we can use to that string guys now. Okay, string and method name M3, excellent. This is the way we can creating that word guys, M3 method. And when we are going to creating that return type as a string, so immediately what we have to write here guys, return type what we have to write. Yeah, go ahead guys. You can see here return.
double.
Yeah, see, this is the things we can write. It is possible or not, side guys. It is. I'm going to using that string name equal to C, no, and I'm what guys? I'm returning what guys here. Name is correct or not, guys? This is the way to we can creating that return type as a string, guys. Right? You people can practice like that, then you can get that knowledge. But I need to achieve what guys? Multi-level inheritance. I need to achieve. This is that single inheritance, single level inheritance. I need to achieve that multi-level inheritance. What should I to do here, guys? Tell me. Extend from where?
Extend add on.
Extends from what guys? Child one. Yeah. Now tell me guys, inside that what guys? Child two class. How many methods available indirectly?
Three method is there.
Three method is there, guys. You people are getting or not, guys? Remaining three methods is there because of already M3 method available into the child 2. So there is a extend keyword we are going to extends, right? Extends keyword we are going to using here. When we people using to that extend keyword, it will be go to the directly word guys, child 1 plus, and inside that word guys, there is a one of the method is there, that is indirectly we can using inside where guys, reusability. I already discussed that what is reusability, right? So guys, uh, that this M2 method also available inside that where guys child 2. Now child 2 is there, and what guys here I'm going to use into that child 1 extend from where guys parent, then that parent also having to that one more method guys. Now it is that parent class can contain one method, child 1 class can contain two method, child 2 class can contain how many methods guys? Indirectly it is three methods. Guys, you people getting or not this?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to implement it, then can we go through that word guys? Programmatic practically can we go for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we can develop guys that application, then you people get that much clarity. It's yours only, right? Yeah. So guys, it is possible to create one more parent or already parent class we have. Can we use it? Can we use it guys? I'm going to remove to that variables here. Just m1 method what guys? Just that what inside that method I'm going to using this is that parent m1 method I'm going to writing, or else I need to create class as a separate guys or not required. We already completed inside that where guys single level inheritance. I'm going to implementing now what guys multi-level inheritance. See here guys, this is that parent class. I'm going to creating one child class guys. So what should I to do? I need to use what guys instead of that variable. I need to use what guys only methods. You people can check here. I'm removing to that main method also, and inside that main method, inside that M2 method, instead of void, what is the return type we can use guys here? Tell me int. Guys, see here when I'm going to changing to that int as a return type, immediately it is getting that word guys. It is getting what error. So guys, you people can check here. First of all, if we want to avoid that return type error, then we can use what guys return. Return is that keyword guys, and if you are not able to give that word guys, yeah, is getting that again. See, it is that word guys error, it is resolved. Instead of 10, is it possible to creating that give that variable name guys? See here I'm going to creating int a equal to 10 I'm given here guys, right? So instead of 10 what should I to return guys? What we have to give that
Yeah.
a, right guys? So this is the way we can return in that value for that return type guys. It is this is what we had completed that what guys POCs, and with practical you people understanding or not guys, right? And if you want to call this variable, how we can call guys this variable? How we can call to that variable? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
This is the way we can call to that a variable guys, right? You people can check inside that SOPLN statement. This is child class M2 method I'm writing, and inside that one more SOPLN statement is there. That is I'm going to calling to that word guys local variable. I'm going to calling it, right? So this is that word guys. Now tell me that child class can contain how many methods guys now? Child class can contain how many methods? This is that a child class. This and it is extend from where guys? Parent class. Already parent class can contain one method, right? So indirectly that child class can contain how many methods guys now? 2. Excellent. So guys, this is that single inheritance already you people to know. I need to create one more class guys, that is child 3. Sorry, child 1, right? Parent, child 1. I'm going to creating class name as a child 1. I'm going to creating here guys. As per our diagram, I'm going to creating that one more class, and I'm going to creating what guys? Here also I'm going to creating one method, right? See here guys, public and tell me guys, instead of what int and void, I need to write string. What should I to do here guys? That return type. String is that return type, and what guys, method name as a m3 is that method name guys, right? So I'm going to defining this is that method. Immediately it is throwing to that error guys. So we need to return what guys? String related data I need to return string. See here guys, instead of string, whatever that return type come means, that is primitive data it will become, reference data it will become, and tomorrow what guys, class name it will become as a return type guys. Class name also it will become as a return type, right? So the you people will be get that a little bit all those things, all the things guys, but you people go to that one by one guys, it's not able to go directly, then you people confusion definitely. So what should I to do here? Return that there is a return keyword is there, and what are the data we need to return here guys? String related data we need to return, right? See here guys, inside that double quotation, see, if you are not able to assign into that any value, and if you represent as a what guys, double quotation, it is that error is resolved. Means tell me guys, when you people using to the double quotation, it is considered as a string guys. What is that string is default values guys? What is the default value for that string? What is the default value for int?
0, sir.
Yeah. So that int is that default value for int. What about that string guys? What is the default
Empty
value?
character.
Sorry,
Empty character, sir. I think.
empty character.
No, no, sir.
Guys, that wrapper class you have completed for you people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you people defining as a string data type, string is that reference data type, right? And if you people not able to assigning to that any value, if you people not able to assign in that any value, then what is the default value it will become for that string? That default value for the string is a null, guys. What is the default value for that string?
None.
Null. I will show you. Already, I think that wrapper classes also there is a default values, and default values for that all the wrapper class as a null only, right? I will show you guys. It is really returning to that null or not. I will show you. No need to worry. But here, that return type, if you are going to give in the double quotation, then it is that word guys. It will be considered as a string only. We are going to use in that return type as a string. That is the reason we are going to creating word guys. String related data I'm going to give in. If people can give that anything here. If you are not able to give in that anything, then that default value will become, right? If people can check here, I will show you guys that, right? So I'm going to using what guys, system dot out dot println of this is child child1 class m3 method. We should be use inside that word guys, double quotation only, right? So this is that word guys, this is the third class. Now you people can check here guys, as per diagram it is completed or not. How many classes required guys? Two parent and one child here. See here, one super class, one again that super class direct derived class is there. For that derived class there is a one more derived class is there guys. As per the diagram we can creating that three classes are not guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm going to testing this application guys. For that testing that application I'm going to creating that one more class, that is that class name I'm going to give in that class name as a test guys. I'm going to creating that class name as a test, and inside that test class we need to write what guys, main method. I'm going to running my application. This is the application I need to run. So now tell me guys which class object we need to create now. Which class object we need to create for that parent or child one or
Child
child one. Excellent. Child one ch equal to new child one. I'm going to creating that object is done, right guys? So now tell me, I'm going to calling to that which class method I need to call guys. First of all I need to call from that parent, after that child one, child, after that child one guys. Now tell me how we can call that. ch dot ch dot what, m3 method is there. M3 method available inside that where child class I think. Now you people can go and check into that word guys, parent class. What is the parent class method name? M1, right? So you people can check here guys, and you people can check child one I'm going to creating. And but here is that there is I'm not able to using what keyword here guys. Which keyword we need to use for that extending from what guys? Child guys. Which keyword?
extend
Extends
child and child
child one. Child one, right? Child one is there not? Yeah, child, no child one, child only. Yeah, this is a child one, right? Yeah. Now tell me guys, I'm going to testing this application. So in that I'm going to calling that word guys. Ch dot there is a m1 method. M1 method from where guys? Parent class. If people can check, it will be sure guys where this method is available. It will be showing to us. You people can check here guys. M1 method available in where guys? Parent. And come into that here. M2 method available in where? Child. M3 method available child 1. See here guys, there is a return type also it is given, right? So that what are the return type available for that parent M1 method? What are the return type for that M2 method? What is the return type for that what guys? M3 method. Everything it is going to show you, right? So I'm going to using to that what guys? M1 method. Now check guys, it is going to given me what guys? Parent class M1 method logic it will be give. This is parent M1 method. Parent class, you people can write anything guys for that word string. Parent class M1 method. You people can write anything, no problem. But your understand is you can write how you people can get that logic, then you can write, right? So I'm going to writing what this is parent class M1 method. Now tell me guys, I need to call to that word guys. Child child class M1 method I need to call. What should I to do? Ch dot M2 method. M2 method available in where? Child class only. If people can check here guys, I'm going to writing some logic inside that M2 method. That M2 method logic it will be executed. If people can check, see, this is child class M2 method and there is a 10 it will be executed guys. Why it is going to execute a 10? I'm writing I think there is a 2 SOPLN statement is there guys. You people can check here. See here. There is a one is that this is child class M2 method and I'm going to word guys. Here I'm going to use into that SOPLN statement and I'm calling that word guys local variable. That local variable a content word values here 10. That is the reason it is going to printing as a 10 guys. Right? Now coming to that word guys. Next I need to call what? Child one class. Child one class how we can call guys? Ch dot there is a method name word guys. M3 method. M3 method. So that M3 method are also having some business logic. That business logic will be executed here. See here guys. This is child class M3 method. Go to that child class child one class and there is a method is there guys. So what I'm going to define here, why inside that string I'm going to creating one string a variable and what guys I'm given that name as a variable name. I need to call that I need to show you that there is a what is the default value for that string I need to show you, right? So what should I to do? I need to create as a one SOPL statement and inside that what I need to call guys name, right? Yeah, and the name guys this is that local variable. Local variable we should be what guys we should be defined here, otherwise it will be throw that error. If people can check here guys, what should I to do? We need to assign in that values guys here. See, this is that assigning that values assign. How we can assign in that value? This is the way guys. Or else if you don't want to declare that variable, then what you have to do, you can use like this only, no problem. This is the way we can define that values. And how we can confirm that is that local string can contain that default value or what guys, uh, default value as a null. Then you people can do here is that instead of what we have to do here guys, yeah, I'm going to creating this is that variable guys, this is the variable I'm going to defining where outside that class. Guys, tell me this is at what type of class now? What type of variable it is? What type of variable it is, guys? Non-static variables. Now tell me, guys, non-static variable, how we can call, guys? Coming to that test class, coming to that test class, how we can call to that non-static variable?
ph dot
Yeah, system dot out dot println of ch dot
dot
uh, name, right?
yes sir.
Yeah. So inside that name, yeah, might define anything here, guys. Inside that name, am I assigning to that any values here?
No sir.
No, right? So that default value it will become. What is the default value for that string, guys?
No.
Null. Will become as a null or not? We can check here, guys. If people can check here, guys. See here. What is the output it is getting, guys?
No.
Null only. Right, guys? So this is the way we can defining what guys default default value for that string, that is that null, guys. And if we are going to creating that return type as a that return type what, guys, if people can check, there is a null also, it is going to returning to me where it is parent1. Parent1 is that a name. This is that calling to that word, guys, name. So that here also calling word, guys, name is that default value. That default value also getting what, null only 2 times. Guys, as per the diagram, this is that implementation. If you people not getting, please let me know. I created 3 classes, 3 different methods, and I'm going to take in that one test class. Inside the test class, I'm going to creating that child class, right? Child one class, I'm going to creating that object, and I'm calling to that all the parent class methods, guys. You people getting or not it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the way we can implement to that what, multi-level inheritance. This is the part is completed, right, guys? Then can we see to that what, guys, hierarchical inheritance now? Inside that what, guys, multi-level inheritance, single level inheritance is completed, multi-level inheritance it is completed. Hierarchical inheritance, can we see, guys? Yeah. So
Yes,
that
sir.
you people can check here that my hierarchical inheritance, how many superclass required, guys?
One super.
One superclass, and how many child class, guys? Yeah, you can take that, you can take to that multiple child class, guys. Then as per that diagram, can we go to that with practical, guys, directly? It is very simple. It is very simple, guys. I will go to that what practical, what we had completed just now, I will show you there only. Okay, guys, coming to that this examples only. So this is that parent class, yes or no, guys? This is that parent class, and we have a one child class, guys. We have a child class. It is extended from where, guys? Parent only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people can check here. One is that parent, this is the super class. I'm going to derived from what, guys? Subclass 1. Subclass 1 is nothing but parent is that parent class, child is that what, guys? Child class. So it is that one way. And you people can check here, guys. I need to create one more subclasses, guys, and that is also extended from where? Super class only, parent class only, right? So what should I to do here? What should I to do here, guys? Inside, go to that child one class and extend from where, guys? Extend from where?
Parent.
Parent. Excellent, guys. This is the parent class. I'm going to extend it. Right, guys. Now this is the child class parent one, and I need to create one more class, guys, because of I need to show with that 3 child classes example I need to show. So that is the reason what should I to do here? I need to create one more class, that is child 2, right? Child 2. Now tell me, guys, this is also extended from where?
Parent.
Parent only. This is that very simple. And I need to write what, guys? Here also one method I need to write here. Public instead of what, guys? In time string. Instance string. What should I do, write? Here m4. This is the method. Return what, guys? Single quotation inside what? You can give that anything, guys. Guys, you people getting or not that return type? This is what? Child, child class M4 method. Yeah. As per diagram, we have a one parent class and we have a three child class, guys. All the child class extended from where, guys? Parent class only. Coming to the test class, guys. Coming to the test class. What should I to do here? Here is that already there is a M2 method available. Child for coming to that. Yeah. Why it is getting that what, guys? Error. Yeah. Now what should I to do? If people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating that first what object I need to create. I need to call, you people can check here, guys. Now relation between, you people can check here. There is a, if you want to call to that superclass method and subclass method, what, guys, you should be create what, guys, subclass one object we should be create, and you can call to that subclass method as well as superclass here only, right, guys? Now come in this, guys, class level 2 subclass 2. If you want to call to that superclass method as well as subclass method, then you people can create that object for what, guys? Subclass 2. Guys, getting or not it is? And coming to that subclass 3, if we want to use to that superclass method and superclass methods and subclass 3 class method, if we want to use, then you can creating that object for what, guys? This class object you can create and you can call to that this class method as well as superclass method. Can we see, guys? We already creating that classes, and I need to call for what, guys? This is that first of all, you people can consider this is that what, as per diagram subclass 1, right? So that's, you can consider as a child is that subclass 1, right, guys? So first of all, which class object I need to create here, guys? Tell me, which class object I need to create? I need to invoke with that what, every child class and parent class of the what, guys, methods I need to invoke. Then which class object I need to create now?
Child.
Child. Excellent. Child, ch equal to new child, guys. New child, and I'm going to create in that object. Then ch dot what, guys? By using that what, guys, child class, when I'm going to create in that child class object, then which class it is going to call, guys? Which class methods it can be accessed? Child class method as well as
And
parent class. Child class method in we can invoke as well as what, guys? Parent class method also we can invoke, guys. You people can check here. I need to call first of all that child class, or else you can call to that parent, no problem. See here, guys, inside that child class, how many methods is there? You people can check. There is a M1 method is that parent is available, M2 method available into that child class, guys, right? You can call to that anyone. First of all, you can go to that M1 method, then you can go for the child class. Ch dot what, guys? M2. Guys, getting or not it is? If people can print, guys, it is that output it will become. This is parent class M1 method. This is a child class M2 method, guys. Right? Why the 10 is that printing? I think there is a what? Child class we can defining what, guys? Int a equal to 10. Right? That is the reason it is going to print it. Right? int a equal to something value you can define here, guys. Right? Now come to that word, guys. Child one is completed. Now come to that word. Here is that you can go through the diagram. Parent class and child subclass one is completed. Subclass two, guys. I need to create word, guys. Now coming to that as a programmatically. Which class object I need to create here, guys? Inside the test class. Which class object I need to create now?
Child one.
Child one. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. Child one, ch one equal to new child. New child one, right? Yeah. So object is created by using that object reference variable. Which method we can call, guys? Which method we can call? We can call to the child one class method as well as parent class method we can call. So I need to call to that first of all what, guys? Parent class method. So if people can check here, guys, what are the parent class method is there? There is a M3 method available in where, guys? Child one class. Or if people go to that parent class, that parent class can contain what, guys? There is a wide M1 method is there, right? You people can call, guys, it. Yeah, this is that M1 method, right? When I'm going to creating that child one class object, then we can call to that parent class method as well as child class method, guys. Now I'm going to calling ch1 dot ch1 dot what, guys? M3 method available in which class, guys? Child one class. We are going to create that class object only, right? Child one class object we are going to create it. Now tell me, guys, I'm going to calling that here is the first time what, guys? Yeah, parent class method we are going to calling inside that child one class. When I'm going to creating that object, there also we are going to calling that what, guys? M1 method. How many times we are going to calling now parent class method, guys? Tell me how many times we are going to calling to that parent class M1 method. Two times we are going to calling by using that child class object created and we can calling to that word, guys, M1 method from that parent class, and M2 is that available into the child. And when we are going to creating that object for child one class object, at that moment I'm going to calling to that M1 class what, parent class M1 method, and what, guys, child class M3 method I'm going to calling. So that parent class M1 method, it is going to execute it two times. You people can check here, guys. uh, that previous example there is a, this is parent class M1 method. So this is that output it is. Now it will be two times it will be print, guys. If people can check here. See here, guys. This is parent class M1 method and this is parent class M1 method. Two times it is called or not, guys. Right? So yeah, second as per the diagram, second scenario also completed. Now I'm going to doing what, guys? Third diagram. This is that super class and this is the child class, guys. So I'm going to create in that object for which class, guys? Now, as per that practical, which class object I need to create here? Child 2, excellent, guys. Child 2 class I need to create here. Child 2 ch2 equal to ch2 already there are. Oh, yeah. Reference variable should be given different, guys. That is the reason, right? And child 2 object I am going to create it here, guys. By using that child class, this is the third child class, right, guys? This is the third one. So when I'm going to creating that child class object, at that moment, which method we can call, guys? Parent class method we can call as well as child class method also we can call. Coming to that programmatically, guys, I'm going to use into that ch2 dot what are the method is there, guys? You people can check here. M1 method available into that parent class and M4 method available in where, guys? Child 2 class only, right? So I'm going to calling from what, guys? M1 method from that parent, and I'm going to calling to that ch 2 dot what, guys? M4 from that child class, guys. As per the diagram, you people getting or not, it is, guys. Now that how many times that M1 method it will be executed, guys? Tell me. Parent 3 times it will be print, because of we are going to creating 3 times that object for that separate child class object we created, and we are going to calling what, guys? Parent class method. That parent class method, parent class is for that what, guys? Common for all the child class or not, guys? When you are going to using to that extend keyword, that extend from where? Parent class only. That is the reason that parent class common for all the child class. That is the reason that M1 method will be executed here 3 times. See here, guys. M1 method, M1 method. This is the M1 method. Guys, getting or not, it is. What about remaining, guys? As per diagram, you people getting are confusing here. If you people are yeah confused, please let me know, guys. Okay. So guys, this is the way we can implement what? Hierarchical inheritance. Now coming to that word, guys. Coming to that hybrid inheritance. This three is completed, guys. Single level inheritance is completed. Multi-level inheritance is completed. Hierarchical inheritance also it is completed. If, guys, you people remember this diagram, otherwise you people will be confused. How many classes required for that single inheritance? How many classes required for that multi-level inheritance? How many classes required for that hierarchical inheritance? You should be remember it. As per the diagram, you can implement that word, guys, classes, methods, and you can what, guys, call that method. Then it will be understand. Guys, tell me, if people can tell me, guys, come into that hybrid inheritance. How many parent class is required? How many child class is required, guys? Tell me.
One is required.
Okay. One parent class we have to required, and two child class is required, and from the two child class, see here, guys, this is that subclass 1 and subclass 2 is that parent for what, guys? Subclass 3. Yes or no, guys? If you people can check here, subclass 1 and subclass 2 is that for this both parent, which one is that parent, guys? Subclass 1 and subclass 2? Super class, guys. Super class is that parent for this both. Yes or no, guys? Guys, if you go through that inheriting concept is nothing but there is a relationship must and should require. Parent-child relationship, right? So how we can that achieve that parent-child relationship? By using that extend keyword, and there is a one more concept it will become, guys. What? If we want to achieve to that what? There is a one super class is there, two parent classes. Sorry, one super class, two child class is there. Again, there is a two child for this two child class. There is a one what, guys? Again, there is a derivative class is there, guys. If you people can in real time scenario also, there is a what, guys? We have a first of all we are the child for our parents. Yes or no? We all are a child for our parents in real time scenario. Generally I'm going to speaking here. So guys, that what our we are that child for that our parents, right, guys? So that who are getting that married, they also tomorrow that their child are not, guys. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So that is the which one we are going to see into that real time. That is the things we can implement it in where guys in programmatically. That our parent also having to that their parent or not guys. Our grandfather is that parent for our parent. Yes or no guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which one we are going to see into that? That is the reason I said you guys that future when I am going to explain into the Java futures, right? So every object comes under as a what guys? In real time, everything comes under as a object. That is the reason we can say whatever guys. They that is the concept is came into that word guys. Hierarchical hybrid inheritance, and we can see everything what we are going to see into that real time. That is implemented in a programmatical guys. That's all. If we are really that analyzing part into the practically as a real time, that all those things we can implement in programmatic. That's all. That is the reason I said you people can get that analyzing skills is required here. Analyzing skills is required, right? So guys, can anyone can practice, guys? I'm going to give. I will give that word, guys. Homework or else POCs for you people. Can you invoke with your own guys? Is what you people getting that issues and where you are here? I will understand, guys. Then can you people can practice? Can you show tomorrow? It is there is a.
Yes,
Can anyone try, guys?
yes, sir.
Yeah, guys. Really, if you will try, but there is a issue, it will become that issue. I will explain tomorrow, guys. What is that issue? Why we go through that abstract class and inherit award, guys? There is a interface also we completed, right, guys? Already normal class, abstract class, and interface. You people aware or forget it, guys? That interface concept it will become here only, guys. I will show you later. But you people can practice, guys. You people can try it, and tomorrow I will show you. I will check your code, guys. Right? Then you people can complete it and come back, guys. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. We will see tomorrow.